Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Apple Pencil in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want to take your note-taking to the next level? Using the Apple Pencil with Goodnotes gives you a smooth, natural writing experience, and here's exactly how to get started. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the Goodnotes application. You can go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and it's both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download this on both devices. Just search for the Goodnotes application. Once you find this, make sure you download the application, and once you're in, make sure to log in with your Google account. Once you install the application and you're logged into your Google account, there comes the part where you use your Apple Pencil. Now, for this tutorial, I'm only recording with an Android device, but it's the same for the iOS devices. So you want to open the Goodnotes on your iPad, like this, open the Goodnotes. Then you're going to make sure your Apple Pencil is connected via Bluetooth. Check that the Apple Pencil is connected and paired with your device. Then you're going to open your notebook and select the pen tool. For example, let's click on this example right here. Now you're going to select the option to draw. Like you see here, you're going to see a tool here. You see all these pencils. You're going to select them and you're going to modify with your pen. For example, you're gonna write on your screen with your pen, write anything. You can choose the fonts, the color, etc. in this menu section right here and there below. Now, using pressure sensitivity for thicker or thinner lines, you can also do that. You can start writing directly on the screen like paper and switch tools like erasers or highlighter from the toolbar. You can adjust the pen for settings for your writing style. Now the Apple Pen makes Goodnotes feel like real paper, so use it to write faster, cleaner, and more naturally. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.